guys, it's Haley and I am back with another video. So in this video, I want to go through the Outgoing secret word envelopes from rounds 9, 10, and 11. And I just wanted to show you the cover because I went ahead and adhered everything down. I didn't add or change anything since the last video. I just chose the more crocheted trim option instead of the lace, but everything else is the same. Oh, the only thing is my quote had an S on illusion. I don't know how or why, because all the rest, none of them do. And these, it was the same document. All I did was delete the other fonts that I didn't like and then print it on this paper. So I guess the one font that I chose, I had added an S on the end of illusion. So I just turned the paper upside down, ran it through the printer again, and yeah, that's why there's some funny edges, because I had to adhere a new one on top. So, okay, okie doke. So there was no one in the most recent round, the round 11 with the fern. Round 9, positivity. What was it? Positivity only, I think is what it was. Miss Sandra De Jesus, creative planning with Sandra. I think that's her new YouTube name. But anyway, she is actually from the swap. She won an envelope, and then also Serena Nagler did the secret word, and she was also part of the swap, and she during the swap had made me a junk journal, and she has one of mine. She has my favorite one, junk journal. And I have linked that video before. I did it back in 2016 because I just, made a video of it, filmed it before I sent it out. So anyway, she said that she is actually going through like a big purge and trying to use up and get rid of a ton of stuff. So she didn't need an envelope, but she just wanted to play along with the secret word and, just to let me know she was watching, and that I am totally fine with that. I greatly appreciate when you guys, say hey in the comments and let me know what's going on. And then round 10, botanical is beautiful. Coquita Creative, which is Ashley, won an envelope. And then also it was Yelidi. And she said that she wanted a junk journal from me. And I had told her that I could send her the blue one that we made. And I guess she doesn't want that one. And so she's going to email me what she likes. So I am waiting on that email. I'm sure she's busy and has got tons of other stuff to do, and that is totally fine. So that means there's only 2 this time from 3 rounds. And there could have been up to 15, so that's crazy. So if you guys ever want to play, usually there's not many people playing. I mean, it's no sweat off my back. Either way, I'm happy to send things out. These are just a thank you for watching the videos through. Because a lot of times they're towards the end. Sometimes I put the secret word in the middle. You just have to watch the video to find the secret word. So I did these this time exactly the same. There isn't any this in place of this. There's just like maybe a different color or a different pattern from the same collection. That's it. And they are all matching. So yeah, I will go through. Let's go through this one. They each have one of the pins from Petal and Blooms. Super pretty. And as also one of the tropical sticky note sets. I love these. This one was a little bit bigger, but this one had 5, so it was like equal. Gotta be equal. Equal. Name that movie. I'll give you a hint. I got my dog's name Krusty from that movie. No one will guess it. So the sticky note set. Then there are 2 of the bow paper clips. one of the stamp sets. I love, love, love these stamps. This is what is in the other envelope. Then they each got one of the large cactus sticker flakes, and the large pack came with 2 of each pattern or 2 of each sticker, and this was one of my top favorites, so I picked this one. They're the same. They each have the same stickers, and then 3 of the smaller cactus sticker flakes. Come on, come on. Okay. There we go. And then she sent these memory tray cards, which are just like journal cards. They have an extra one that isn't standard 4x6 or 3x4, as well as standard size journal cards. And the memory tray cards that she sent also each had a regular Project Life journal card set. So I went through and each of them got the same number of each size. If this one has a word, then that one has a word for it. It made them totally even. So there was a We Are Memory Keepers pad that matched this really well. And the memory tray ones are single-sided, but they have a really nice vintagey feel, and I always want to add a little bit of vintagey or crossover stuff in the packages as well. And then we've got our gold and black. I love these. I love that pattern. Smile. Love. Leopard. Laugh. And then these are the smaller. I love those. And happy. So that is everything. Let me see. Everything. Yep, everything is the same. The other envelope got from the same stiff. And yes, I went through. The reason there's only 2 of the paper clips is because of the weight, pretty much. The paper clips themselves are metal, obviously, and heavy. And I was like, even if I took them off the cardboard, had them floating around, and took out the stickers, it still went over with adding a 3rd paper clip, if that makes sense. So 2 paper clips. That's why I have them. That's why I have it all set up this way. And these are all definitely really trendy, go with everything colors. Super summery. You can use this in your planners at any time. And yeah, this will be great. And if you're doing junk journals, or if you're doing more like art journaling style, or like Smashbook style memory journaling, you can do classic scrapbooking or Project Life with it. Just a few extra things to play with. So anyway, I hope you guys like the envelopes. I'm going to close these up and I'll be right back. Okay, anyhoozle, I just wanted to show you guys those. That will be round 11, so all the way through round 11. So the next one will be round 12. And I'm really excited. I will be receiving very soon a package from a sponsor. So I will have a sponsored video coming up, and I'm super excited. I told you guys when I started back on YouTube this last time, it was actually because my mom had got me that faux dory, and I painted it, and I wanted to do sort of like memory planning and stuff in there, but then I got back to junk journaling. Anyway, I've been wanting to do some bullet journaling and regular I guess I can't just like Smashbook style planning, if that makes sense. So they are sending me a planner and a dotted notebook, and I am very excited. And I don't know if I'm going to do like one big video or a couple videos on each one. I'm sure I will, but the main video, I will be doing a giveaway and putting together. I don't think they're sending an extra planner. I didn't ask them I didn't want to ask them for a ton of stuff. They were like, just let us know on the site what you like, which planner you like, and what color. And I told them, and yeah, so I don't know, I just felt bad saying like, can you send me like 5 planners, please? Anyway, but I have been going through all of my planner stuff, and actually the things that I purchased while I was gone, like crafty things, were all planner and yeah, pretty much planner and stationery related. So my newest stuff, except what you have seen, is all plannery things. And I'm gonna add, I even got this recently in one of my hauls, these super cute planner stickers. I'm going through all the sets, the sticker books. I also got a whole pack thing as a gift from someone while I was gone. So I've got a lot of planner stuff. I'm gonna go through and put a cool package together for that. I also have that whole quart-size bag full of the regular, you know, small crafty zipper bags. There's probably 50 to 75 in there, and each one is full. Each one is basically a collection, a matching planner layout with the planner boxes, the page flags to go with it, and everything. So I will add that in if the winner wants that too. Yeah, that is what has been going on in my world. I've been kind of down for a couple days, but I will be back in a couple days. I know it will be short. So yes, I keep saying so. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you guys are excited to get your envelopes. The ladies that I sent envelopes out to this week, on Monday I sent them. Please let me know if you received them. Betsy has, but that's all. That's the only person that's let me know. So just leave a comment or email me, you know, whatever's easiest for you. Just that way I know you got it. So, any hoozle. I will talk to you all soon, and I will probably go ahead and mail these on Saturday if I can. Yeah, my post office, my local post office is super small, and they have weird hours, but I think they're open till like 11 tomorrow. So I think I could get in. Anyway, they will definitely be mailed Monday, if not tomorrow. So talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.